Hi, I'm Marlene. Welcome to Marlene at Home. I'm so glad you joined us. Today I'd like to talk about the fun of using color in your home. I know I'm a little fanatical about color. I went to, remember when the seminars were years ago, the home parties about knowing your color, what to wear. I used to drive my family nuts with, oh, only buy me these colors. I still do that. I do notice that when I wear those colors, I get compliments, so I still tend to do that. But my girls, I used to say, only wear your colors on the day you want to look nice, and would not always make their day. But anyway, I want to talk about the fun of using color at home. I do want to say again, I've said this before, I am not an interior decorator in any stretch. I'm sure I will mortify my friends that are interior decorators. I think of my cousin's wife, Joyce, my good childhood friend, Janet. Both of them live in Arizona. If they see these videos, they will cringe. So I just want to give you a heads up. I'm not a decorator. It's just some fun thing I like to do in my own home. So today, talking about color, I still have the last vestiges of summer that I'm starting to change out. But before I did, I wanted to just show you some color I've used during the summer in my kitchen. I kind of love the blue, lime green shades, and I've done it on a tablecloth, some with some centerpieces, and I change it throughout the summer. I really enjoyed when I found this two-tone lime green and aqua carpet, and you'll see in the window I have some just inexpensive dollar store plastic mugs, great for iced tea and lemonade outside on the porch in the summer. So just some things that will be changed all throughout the year here. My colors in various rooms. Some colors stay the same, some colors change seasonally, sometimes even this. The centerpieces and things today I've changed. So this is a little glimpse of some color in my kitchen. Hi, you can even add color to a small spot, like a laundry room, powder room combination. I have my washer and dryer here in this closet. Back here in this corner, I'm trying to hide my dog in his cage so he won't be running around as he's been in many other videos. And then I'll show you the other side of the room, the powder room. So here in my powder room, I have added some bright fuchsia pink, lime green. Then over the years, I've changed to some touches of turquoise on a towel, purple and some flowers, just to add some touches. You see this room all the way from in my living room over to my family room. You look all the way into this room. So I have added some visual color here on the wall, touching it, doing some with a touch of fuchsia and flowers throughout the room. And so I do different things in this room at various times of the year. But here's another spot where you can add a touch of color. As you enter the front door into our foyer, there'll be a colorful, during the summer, yellow, blues, greens rug here on the floor. And with the butter-colored walls, I like to add some more color to complement those walls. Over here, I have an old family jug that has some blue on it. So I've gotten some very inexpensive at the dollar store silk hydrangea and some beads. I also got one of these lighted stick lights that I just stuck in there, and I enjoy that. And it also is very nice in the evening. In my corner cupboard with my Fostoria, I've added a touch of color there by adding some blue dollar stemware. People always say, oh, you have all this stemware of different colors. Yes, please visit your local dollar store, and for $1 you can have the same colors. I'm ending with a green pillow here at the end of the summer on a rocking chair that I just got out of my mom's attic. And so just a way to add color as you enter here during the summer in the foyer, before I start taking it apart and putting my fall decorations up, which you'll see in coming weeks. To the left of my foyer, as you enter the house, I have a desk in the area right off of my foyer. And then you can see another full bath, but here as you enter in a house, and a way to use purple. I love some bright colors. You can see purple carpet on kind of a marble tile floor, purple shower curtain, purple accents. I'll move in a little bit here. No, getting real close here. Okay, purple towels, a hand towel. And then on this side, some little knick-knack kind of things, some hand soap as we're all in need of. So purple, I love the bright purple accents in this room. It just cheers me up. It's the bathroom here off of our foyer near a guest room, and just another color spot. At the top of my steps, another idea. My walls are butter yellow. I love the color, not too bright, very soft, but I've shown you how to use fuchsia and lime green down in the laundry room and powder room. I've shown another room of purple, and here I wanted just something striking. As you come up, the carpet here is wall-to-wall carpet. It's beige, the butter walls. I really wanted something striking, and so black and gold. I got this at an outlet, at one of those furniture outlets in North Carolina a number of years ago for really, really cheap. And so I only wish there had been two of them, or I'd have put them on both sides of my fireplace. But I've got one, and so just a way to, I love to come out here. Maybe I have a phone call and everybody else is in bed at night, or a good book and somebody says, turn out the light. And so I can come out here, bring a blanket and a book and snuggle here and read to the wee hours. Welcome to my black and white bedroom. Here's another way to use color in a room with neutral carpet, butter walls. I really love the black and white. I've started with some black frames in the room. I have a valance that matches the bed comforter, some little black and white fingertip towels, a black placemat under my grandmother's pitcher and bowl set, and then black tablecloth on a little round table, little cardboard table, very inexpensive, and the black and white bedroom comforter that I really love, that black and white comforter. I also have had a friend, Rosie, make and give to me a lovely black and white quilt. She was thinking of this room, she said, when she made it, with some touches of yellow. So that also highlights the colors of this room. In the master suite, in the spring and the summer, I like to go with some floral patterns here in the comforter and some of the pillows, as well as some stripes. This pillow stripe is the same that's down on the dust ruffle towards the bottom of the bed. I have, because of the teal color that I went with, for the summer and spring, I picked up a bird theme, and I also got some prints on the wall with a bird theme. I did a bird cage, and there's some birds the same color, lime green, teal. There's an off-white bird in there. I also carried that same theme into the master bath on towels, on a rug in front of the sink, and some little knickknacks here and there. But I wanted to show you that with fall coming, I'll get ready to change this. Now I'm not going to totally take it apart, but just to give you an idea, some of the things I do in just using, I get companion prints, same idea, only different kind of thing. So for the winter, I won't remake the whole bed, but I go with this solid teal bedspread and change the accent pillows around a little bit. So I won't open it all the way up. You'll get the general gist of the idea. Instead of this, I will use, for now, I'll use the same teal background pillow, but I will use, I'll just go with this now. We'll get rid of summer and spring. Of course, you wouldn't be able to see that floral print underneath if I opened it the whole way out. But just to do something quick. But now I'll start looking for some warmer, wintry kind of looking things. And I'll put one of my grandchildren's favorites is this white, soft, furry throw across the bottom of the bed. Often when they're here visiting and they take turns sleeping in here with my husband or I. And and some nice, all of us, hail, hail, the gang's all here. But anyway, just a soft little throw, little different texture, gives it a whole different feel, a little darker for winter and fall. Here's just a glimpse into my master bath. You'll see some of my bird themes going around. You'll see some bird themes on the towels. Some things on the sink. The carpet in front of the sink picks up the same theme. And then a mirror before I step out to see how I'm looking for the day. There, you'll get a two-wall view there in that picture. I hope you've enjoyed my talking today about color in the home as we finish up in this last room. Maybe I should do it this way. And I can say goodbye to you. Thanks for joining Marlene at Home. Join us again next week.